Cadinla is a modern standalone application that directly manipulates the DWG or DXF database structure. Cadinla is an extremely helpful tool for any CAD data transfer or CAD data migration. With Cadinla, CAD users can analyze, manipulate, and fully automatically adapt any drawing to their own CAD convention. And erase any and all imperfections in the design. Cadinla offers a special programming language for advanced changing of the layer structure. The abbreviation Cadinla comes from the full name CAD Interchange Language. Almost all complicated layer structure changes are made possible using this program. Cadinla offers special methods for drawing translation between different languages. All used texts, layer names, and arbitrary names from the drawing are listed and can be automatically translated into arbitrary languages. Cadinla supports all Unicode characters. Time spent on the following tasks can be reduced to a minimum with Cadinla. Changing layer structure. Changing line types. Changing colors. Changing line weights. Replacing fonts. Converting special characters and Unicode. Adapting text properties. And 3D to 2D transitions. The structure and components of any drawing can be analyzed using the analysis function in the Cadinla program. All used layers, textiles, special characters, symbols, blocks, line types, fonts, or used colors are listed in an analysis file and can be selected on the screen. All Cadinla settings can be saved and read in as required. All conversions defined in Cadinla can be executed at the push of a button on thousands of files at once. All Cadinla conversions are also performed in DWG blocks of arbitrary nesting depth. Since Cadinla manipulates the DWG files directly without reading into the CAD system, the conversion times are drastically minimized. Cadinla is easy to use. A comprehensive manual and extensive training videos are available online for further assistance.